As per election procedure, many candidates had filed their nominations today, the 4th of February 2023. These include Meghalaya TMC's Elgiva Rynjah from North Shillong, Gilbert Laloo from Mylliem, Vincent Sangma from Mawsynram, Stepborn Kupar Ryndem from Mawlai constituency. Also filing their nominations today were the National People Party's candidates Prestone Tynsong from Pynursla, Samlin Malngiang from Sohiong, Kansing Lyngsiang from Mawkynrew, Teibor Pathaw from Mawlai, Khyriem from Mawphlang, and Ransom Sutnga from North Shillong constituency.
You will understand that the duplicity of this party, as I said to you, because AITC, I don't know, number one, if you talk about the border issue, what they said very clearly, they wanted to scrap the MOU signed between the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Ransom. That itself proves that these people, they are not at all serious about the issue, the long pending issue of the boundary along the Meghalaya and Assam border. So therefore, ultimately, that, as I said to you, people will judge and people who understand well what they wanted to and what the intention of the TMC, newly, entry party here, they will get the result on the 2nd of March.
Malki pajba ki biar ulti na por Shillong Mylliem jungi ki ihi kai juna piniken hado ka srok nanti sike hak baling ba ki manifesto jong ki MLA badap bagi numle ka srok tang hak por election rai pi ben tatang srok election arbana kita ki repair ki srok super plus new bro ka por Shillong Mylliem ka jing blok ka pasir kai ba dan jidanya ka por lai keren tan rai ompoi seru ne habi dei bigwei ki jinge ano pi ka kamram jong ki MLA hi ga dei ba kecing ajan berkipat kilong yulong sam. Ndai tambat kita kiba syaput roi. Bakilale kata kita skim kita kisah pat ba ibale. Ndai kecing ide jong kinom ikmat berkilong yulong sam. Kata kedi pong sam.